Drone with dual 4K HD cameras, FPV foldable drone for kids, adults, RC quadcopter for beginners with 2 batteries and carrying case. Gray. Product details. Drone with dual 4K cameras, FPV foldable drone for kids, adults, RC quadcopter for beginners with 2 batteries and carrying case. Anpro E88 upgrade drone with HD 4K wide-angle dual camera, 90-degree adjustable angle, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. You are able to see real-time first-person view on the app. Enjoy a live video feed up from 100 meters away with FPV transmission. This drone has all-around functions: headless mode, altitude hold, 1 key off or landing. For easier operation, no need to worry about orientation. 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. Gesture control makes selfie so easy. Simply rise hand or pose view sign. Drone will take photos and videos. Best drone toy gift for beginners. With trajectory flight functions, you can draw a flyway on the app screen and the drone would conduct an autonomous flight along the designated way. Auto hovering helps the drone achieve great performance in precise location and photographer, suitable for beginners and photographers. E88 is extremely user-friendly, suitable for beginner, with 1 key start, landing, altitude hold, headless mode, 1 key return, headless mode, speed adjustment functions, adapts to all experience levels, even for kids and beginners. Portable to carry with carrying case and easy to store. Package comes with 2 batteries,